In today's video, I enjoy a cost-shared flight with Sheena, Mark and his dad to find Sheena's place of work, the cruise ship Britannia. It's not all plain sailing though, as we're denied a danger area crossing on the way.
Spoken to our colleagues with Plymouth radar. Unfortunately, they advise there is active live firing in Delta 026 and in most of the zones on the Portland danger area complex.
Stay tuned and enjoy the flight.
Thumbs up. The information, good afternoon again, Golf Bravo Mike, Kilo Romeo, PA28 pops from the grass 4 POB. Request radio check, careful information and taxi for local flight out to the west.
Bravo Mike, Kilo Romeo, readability 5 from a news runway 23 with a right hand circuit, the QNH 1025, taxi initially Alpha 1.
23 right hand circuit, QNH 1025, taxi Alpha 1. Cheers, Wakey, Golf Kilo Romeo. So we've got a taxi down the other end to do our power checks, and so we take off in a southerly direction facing towards Cowles on the way out.
Golf Kilo Romeo, report lined up runway 23.
Lining up, 23 via Echo now, Golf Kilo Romeo. You want to pop that just in the seat pocket? Just stops the glare then for your pictures.
Yeah.
Thank you all. Yeah, unfortunately there's no snacks or beverages service on this flight. So...
You didn't bring your own trolley dolly then?
No, that's it. I forgot my pinny today, so...
Oh, you're going to have to get like a British Airways Barbie doll.
Yeah, actually.
Kilo Romeo, Cessna 172 ahead in the climb up, runway 23, take of your discretion, 260 degrees, 10 knots.
Roger, visual 1 ahead, Golf Kilo Romeo. Happy days.
Why did that one take off again straight away?
He's just training.
Oh.
So yeah, just doing laps effectively in the sky. Yeah, the views are awesome.
Why haven't I done this before, Joe?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Golf Kilo Romeo, clear the zone to the southwest, changing to Solo 120.230 and squawking 7011.
Golf Kilo Romeo, turn right, have a good flight, take a safe, good night.
Thanks, featuring a bit, Golf Kilo Romeo. Traffic, and we'll see if this guy can give us permission for the danger area crossing.
Okay.
Learned information, good afternoon, Golf Bravo Mike, Kilo Romeo for basic service.
Golf Bravo, Mike Kilo Romeo, London information. Good afternoon, pass message.
Good afternoon, sir. Golf Bravo Mike Kilo Romeo, PA28, 4 POB, VFR from Leon Solent to Leon Solent. We're currently 1 mile southwest of Hurst Castle at 1,700 feet on a QNH1025. We're routing down to Weymouth and back to Leon Solent. Request basic service.
Golf Kilo Romeo, Roger. In your vicinity, it may be better to speak to Bournemouth 119.475 if you haven't already.
Yeah, no worries. I'm remaining well clear of Bournemouth, and my plan was to cross a danger area. So I was thinking of speaking to yourselves if you're able to coordinate, or Plymouth doing that at the moment. Golf Kilo Romeo.
Golf Kilo Romeo, I can try for Plymouth. The Portsmouth and Portland danger areas are all notified as active. What are your intentions?
So we're looking to cross danger area 026, ideally 1,500 or 2,000 feet VFR. We're routing from Corfe Castle through to Lulworth Castle, so just clipping the northern tip of danger area 026. Golf Kilo Romeo.
Golf Kilo Romeo, we'll make a call, Roger, for a basic service, course 1177 with Mo Charlie, and be advised the Bournemouth QNH is 1025, and ensure you remain outside controlled airspace.
Roger, remain out controlled airspace, QNH 1025, we're showing 1,700 feet, maintaining that for now. Squawk 1177 Mo Charlie, and we'll stand by for your call. Thank you very much. Golf Bravo Mike Kilo Romeo.
Information. I've just spoken to our colleagues with Plymouth radar. Unfortunately, they advise there is active live firing in Delta 026 and in most of the zones on the Portland danger area complex. Do you have an alternate routing?
A-firm, in that case, will remain clear of Bournemouth and clear of the danger area. We'll route towards Corfe Castle, Wareham, over Ayersfield, and then down to Weymouth that way. Golf Kilo Romeo, thanks for trying.
Golf Kilo Romeo, you're welcome. What's your estimate for Corfe Castle, please?
Stand by, Golf Kilo Romeo.
It's amazing. I think I'm in love with it.
Cruising level, we're looking for flight level 200, and we can make anything like for joining. We've got good climb performances.
So, in the distance, just behind the cloud on the ship, so that's...
Oh, I can see them. Yeah, that's definitely
flight level 200, 720.
So if I bring it around on your side, then we can do a nice
okay, cool.
few orbits.
Kilo Yankee, Rebecca's correct. Contact London Control now, 124.755, and squawk now 7206.
Yeah, you can close that though.
I know.
Thanks very much. 7206 squawking, contact level 200, and over to London 134.755, thanks, bye.
Because when we are doing the tender operations up to Portland, we always come across here and you can see the horse.
Oh, yes,
just
yeah,
on the hillside. I can't remember what his name is. Yeah, that's definitely Britannia. Bomb side on.
Yeah, Mark looking out for you.
Yeah, Mark and the security team and the deputy captain. He says he's going to be by the pools waving. Oh my gosh.
Now go straight to Peter Collington, 129.725. Golf Hotel India, thank you. Golf Constitution, good afternoon. Portsmouth down and debate, Golf Hotel India. Portsmouth down and engine, we've had Golf during the remain.
said that to Jordan as well.
Yeah.
Love it.
Thank you. Stop this time.
You're probably connected to the ship Wi-Fi, Sheena.
Yeah.
Crew Wi-Fi.
We'll do one more and then we'll head back. We'll give it a nice little wing wave on the way back.
Yeah, cool.
After an exciting flight and some ship spotting, we gave the MV Britannia a wing wave goodbye and set course for home.
Oh, that's amazing. I love it.
Some more happy passengers and another fun flight. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.